Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Paolo Bori and I'm the General Manager of EIDOS, and I'm here today to introduce you to a revolutionary new product in thermal transfer overprint, the XTO. This product was developed by conducting an extensive number of interviews with customers and integrators and end users to better understand what the market would need from a TTO product today in a moment in time where everything seems to have been done and innovation looked unlikely. But this, instead of stopping us, drove us even further. And we changed our design process, and we used an iterative design process where we would design, then we would rapidly prototype using 3D printing, then evaluate what was working in that design and what was not working, keeping the good and letting out what was not working. This project also saw us developing jointly with NOVEXX Solutions, our parent company, part of the electronic board of the XTO. So, are you ready for TTO how it should be? Let me introduce you to the XTO. And here is the new XTO. Now, there's two guiding principles that were forefront in our mind when we were developing the project. And one is the operator. We really focused on the user experience for this product. We wanted this to be the most user-friendly TTO unit in the market. Every little detail in this product has been thought and analyzed through the eyes of the user. So we believe that the XTO is as user-friendly as it can be. Another guiding principle for us was modularity. We wanted to avoid as much as possible redundant equipment and redundant options on the packaging line. So we devised a product that has a printing unit that can be purchased separately from the HMI and the power supply if these are already available in the packaging machine. We believe this to be a great advantage. We believe this to be a key feature of our product. So now let's take a closer look at the innovative features of the XTO. We gave ourselves a huge challenge in this project. We wanted to have a way to change the consumables, to change the ribbon, which had the advantage of a cassette without having the disadvantages of the cassette. And we developed the Quick Ribbon X Loader, which is a revolutionary way of managing ribbon change. It has the advantages of a cassette, so you're able to perform the ribbon changing operations offline without the disadvantages. It is not heavy, it is affordable, and in case it gets damaged, it does not effectively stop the production line. Ribbon change can be performed in under 30 seconds with the exchanger. And it has a plug-and-play mechanism with automated ribbon in-feed, which allows for, again, a smooth operator experience in changing the ribbon. So we're able to bring to the market an ergonomic and fast ribbon change, increased uptime, and an incredibly price-competitive quick ribbon in-feed mechanism. The second feature I would like to highlight is the Quick Head Exchanger, the revolutionary 100% tool-free printed exchange mechanism, which not only allows us increased uptime in case of printhead change, but also allows us to not have any human intervention with the printed connector and the printed cabling, which can result in damages. So with this feature, we're able to offer a Formula One pit stop concept for the reduced downtime. It's super easy, no tools are needed, and it has definitely improved safety both for the operator and for the unit itself. Another feature that I would like to point out is the revolutionary modularity of the XTO. The whole unit was developed with a clear separation of mechanical and electronic parts, which allows us to have, first of all, easy access for maintenance or service, but also allowed us to keep one of the main features of our previous generation of units, which was the possibility of quickly changing the electronic unit without disassembling the unit from the packaging line. And with the XTO, we managed to pick up the challenge of being able to do this while integrating the electronic unit inside the XTO. And so basically you have a significant reduction of idle times and an improved uptime. Changing or repairing or doing maintenance is easy and fast. You have the possibility to have a hot swap for the electronic unit. And not only, the fact of separating the electronic and the mechanics allows us to have an improved heat dissipation, therefore helping us to reach even better performances with the unit. Now let me tell you about the Smart X motor. We know and we heard that compressed air was becoming increasingly complicated to handle inside production lines. It exists, but it brings many downsides. So we developed a servo motor drive for the printed movement, which allowed us an incredible amount of features and added benefits. Apart from the fact that we don't need compressed air, which has lower costs, there's no issues with the air being polluted with oil and other particles and reduce the integration complexity. The fact of driving the printed with a servo motor allows us, first of all, to have an improved performance and uptime. We can print faster and better. We know exactly where the printed is at any moment in the printing cycle, in the user cycle of the unit, which brings us a vast number of possibilities for interesting features to be developed in the future. And again, we kept the user in mind, and the motor, the servo motor, can be changed quickly and accessing only the front of the unit without having to disassemble the unit from the production line in case of maintenance. Another added advantage of what we just saw is the superior print performance that we were able to achieve with the XTO. Due to the construction of the unit, the electronics management, and the servo motor, we have an impeccable accuracy even at high printing speeds. And we're able to increase the area that can be printed at high speeds in respect to the previous generations and what we believe are the market standards. We also worked on the print plate substitution, which usually is something which is expensive and time-consuming. We worked with Velcro in order to develop a flexible exchange print plate that can be ripped off and replaced easily with no tools and directly on the production line. So all of this brings us an improved uptime thanks to easy maintenance of the print head, very accurate and controlled print performance, and a large application flexibility due to the print area, which is the largest in the market today. So 53 millimeters by 100 millimeters length. The XTO is also ready for the future. We worked hard in developing a unit which was ready for both IoT, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0, and all the technological developments which we are seeing in the industry today. We have a web server application which drives our HMI, which allows us to control the unit wherever we want and with any device on the local area network. This allows us to have the HMI as an option. And in terms of connectivity, we have basically everything that the market requires today in terms of strong, stable connections for both data and I/O signals with the packaging lines. including CAN bus for external device management. So, flexibility, a browser-based web application which allows us to control the unit wherever we want, even by remote, and a fully IoT and future-proof ready machine. Last but not least, all that you have seen until now, all the innovation, all the benefits come with a superior price-performance ratio. By working hard on the development of the unit itself and eliminating redundant options such as the HMI or the power supply, we believe we are able to achieve an incredibly high price-performance ratio compared to the market today. So we bring you a superior print performance and usability combined with competitive pricing. You will have highly accurate print results at high speeds, improved uptime thanks to easy maintenance and repair. The ribbon loader will allow you to save time and money in your operations, and all this with the best price-performance ratio on the market. So it was a pleasure for me to introduce you to the XTO. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your time. And you can make an appointment today and find out how you can benefit from the XTO by clicking on the links in the following page. Thank you and have a great day.